Assalamualaikum my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we draw beautiful flower and a butterfly. I love butterfly. So let's start. We will draw circles.
Sing with me. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
And we draw leaves. We will draw a little butterfly, and he fly up so high. It'll be colorful.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Flower the red color. Purple color in it. Green color in leaf.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Let's start color in the butterfly. Taste so sweet.
Horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. Doors on the bus they open and shut.
I hope
Open
you
and shut.
enjoy
Open
the
and
video.
shut. Doors
See
on
you
the
in the
bus,
next
they
video.
open
Don't
and
forget
shut.
to put up the colors and don't scrunch them. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel and please like my video, share my video. Bye bye friends.
Bell on the back.